Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 47-inch sofa. This looks super easy to assemble. It came really nice packaged. I've taken it all out of the box, but all of the cushions are all vacuum sealed. Everything is all labeled really well. So let's get to work. The first thing we need to do is just add our feet onto the sofa. So we have this nice little assembly pack that we will take everything out and we will get the feet on. Next, we're going to take part E and then just attach it to the back of both of the side pieces. We've got our washer and our bolt, and then we'll use our Allen wrench and tighten those down. Our next step is to put this latch over these screws that we've only put in a third of the way. So we'll put those down on both sides and then we'll tighten them down. And we'll do the same thing with our letter B part. The next thing, we're actually gonna take the back piece. We're gonna lift this cover up, and then we're gonna insert our screws in for the back part and tighten those down. Now we've just got our base plate. We're going to stick right in here. We've got this little piece right here, the little loop, put there, and then we just add in our pieces here. I've got the cushions all on. Now we just wait for it all to fluff up. Then we will put it to the test. All right, so I've let this couch sit overnight and it did puff up quite a lot. This is perfect size. If you wanted to snuggle in with one other person on the couch, it's a nice little love seat size. It does have a 700-pound capacity that's on here. So you have all sorts of room. If you just wanted to lay back like this is great. You've got a 20-inch back here. And this is all a nice chenille fabric, so it's soft. One of my favorites is they actually have removable covers on all of this, even on this back here. So if you did ever spill or have a problem, you can easily get these off. These are all hooked on just by Velcro. So they're not gonna come off unless you pull them off, which then again, here's your zipper. It's kind of hidden back underneath here. So you can pull that off and wash it. And this is 47 inches wide. Like I said, the top of it right here, just the backrest, is about 20 inches. So it makes it about 37.5 inches total for your height. You have a nice sturdy side area here. Here's a look at the fabric up close. Said it is a nice soft texture. You can see all that texture within the fabric, which makes it really nice. And you've kind of got these pin tuck areas here in the back, which give it a nice little detail as well. And it goes all the way around. And then here is that Velcro that we were discussing. Just kind of snaps right off. And then on the side, it does have a really neat feature where it's got little pockets on the side. If you did want to put a little magazine or a phone or anything like that, you do have those features. Got your wooden legs all the way around. Underneath here, it does have the little area. If you did need to pull this out, you can easily grab this, pull that off if you ever needed to move it for any reason. And then on this side, you have another set of pockets. So that is a really nice little feature that you can add extra things on there. This is a cute little love seat that would fit with any decor.